Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be doing a quick analysis on volatility 75 on S. Right, for today it's going to be a very quick one. I'm just seeing a trade call happening, a live trade happening, and I thought to just do the analysis and then share with us. Right, it's going to be amazing. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how I'm going to enter this market, and you're going to see it live and direct. All right, let's go straight into the analysis on the H4 time frame. Right, that's a 4-hour time frame. What do we see on the 4-hour time frame? You see that the market, we have the first touch here, second touch here, and then we had the breakout. It's supposed to be third, and then price broke out, and then we have all of this still happening, right? So another one, we have another trend line that was formed. We have the first touch here, first, second, and what? Price broke out, supposed to be the third, and then price broke out, right? So we've gotten our first breakout here, and we've gotten the second breakout. In fact, this is our first breakout, and this is the second breakout from the higher time frame. That's the 4-hour time frame. Somebody was asking me, how do you use trend line, right? Saying that higher time frame, how do you shift between multiple time frame using your trend line? And the comment I gave to the person just this evening was that you start with the higher time frame trend line, and then from there you proceed to lower time frame, right? Start with higher time frame trend line before you now finally proceed to lower time frame trend line, right? That being said, let's proceed. You go to the 1-hour time frame and begin to see some things very interesting, right? So we've had this trend line being respected, price respected it, and then finally broke and then started selling off the downside, blah blah blah. We don't need it again, right? Because that's done its job, right? So that being said, let's continue. What am I seeing here? We see that price is back to retest this trend line, guys. Like I always say, whenever we see a breakout of trend line, you best believe price is going to come back and retest it again. Look at what is happening. Price is currently retesting the trend line. Will it going to start pushing to the upside directly? I don't know, right? I don't know. But I'll show you what I've done. And then you can also replicate the same. Currently I'm watching this market to see, I want to see some M5 dance around here, right? Price dancing around this M5. Personally, I've entered this market, right? It's an early entry and it's very risky, but then I don't mind the risks because of the potential for upside, right? We are talking about price moving from this zone. It's going to be mind-blowing, oh. Guys, it's going to be mind-blowing. So this is the first take profit, right? The former I, let me put it on H4. This is the first take profit. The second take profit will be somewhere around, let me not be ambitious, to this second one, third one, and ultimately price coming to this zone. This will be a very ambitious take profit, but then I mean, why not, right? So this is what I'm looking at, price moving from this zone and moving to this upper zone, right? Forgive the background noise. And we have this support here. Price has, this is a very strong support area, support turned resistance, has acted as resistance, has started as support. So this is a very strong zone. If you put on your line chart, you're going to see it's a very strong zone, and I expect the markets to bounce off from this place to continue moving to the upside. So this is something I'm looking at currently in the market. It's playing out already as we speak. I'm already in this trade with early entry, and it's playing out. How did I enter the trade? I just use a simple candle pattern, right, which is engulfing pattern. Yeah, a very more reliable pattern for a buy will be when we see a break. Price is definitely, okay, this is what I mean, guys. Price is definitely going to form something like this, you know, trying to sell off or something like this. All right, okay, let me just draw it quickly, and then ultimately it will now see like a break. We'll now see a retest from which we would what? You would what? Start buying the market. So once we see something like this happen, before we see like a proper break of trend line also on the 5 minutes, once we see that, then we expect that this market is going to fly, right? So that will be a more safer entry, and that's what I've been teaching us in this channel, right? That is more systematic, that is more reliable, right? So that is what you should follow, right? So that being said, ensure you see I hope you see this video very quick, and then you can also fall in alignment with this analysis, and if it so matches with yours, take the trade, right? There's nothing stopping you from taking the trade. So yeah, do well to maximize it, and also subscribe to the channel. Subscribe if you find this video helpful, right? If you find this analysis helpful, if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That being said, I wish you all a productive day and a productive trading session. Thank you all for those who have joined, that have signed up, that have subscribed. If you're yet to do again, I am pleading with you. Ladies and gentlemen, ensure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's grow this community. All right, until next time, cheers and God bless, guys.